Hi there and welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the Webspace dashboard in Symbaloo. This is where you manage everything related to your Webspace, including your settings, administrators, users, web mixes, and more. We'll walk through how to open your dashboard, check your subscription details, add users, and explore the built-in safety and privacy tools. Let's get started. First, how do you open your Webspace dashboard? Start by logging into your Symbaloo account. From the sidebar, open the main Webspace connected to your account, then click on Webspace Settings. And just like that, you're in the dashboard. If this is your first time visiting, you'll see a pop-up notification in the middle of the screen. We recommend clicking on the Learn More button, as it will give you a better understanding of your dashboard. Think of this as your control center, the place where you keep your Webspace organized and secure. Next, let's look at your subscription information. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on the Dashboard tab. At the top, you'll see your page view count. Each subscription includes a monthly page view allowance, which resets every month. This shows how many views your Webspace has received, how many remain before ads appear, and even includes a countdown of the days left until the reset. Don't worry, if you're approaching your limit, Symbaloo will send you notifications in advance. Once the page views reset, your account will return to being ad-free. This feature helps you monitor activity and plan ahead, or if needed, consider upgrading to a higher tier. Still under the Dashboard tab, you'll find authentication and privacy options. One of the most important is Child Safe Mode, which hides the login/register buttons, removes the sidebar, and blocks inappropriate ads. You'll also see settings for the web search bar. Since the search bar is always present on your web mixes, you can enable or disable web search as needed. Another option is Login Required, which ensures users must log in to access your Webspace each time. Now, let's talk about users. From the left menu, click on Users. Here, you can add users who will access your Webspace, such as students or team members. Need help managing it all? Click on Administrators to invite others who can edit and update the Webspace alongside you. This way, you stay in control, but you don't have to do everything on your own. At the bottom of the side menu, you'll find additional security tools to help protect your Webspace and its visitors. Some of the most useful include Insights, a tile click counter that shows which tiles are most popular, available from the Classroom subscription and up. IP blocking, restrict access to specific devices or networks, such as your school or office. Web filters control the type of content displayed inside your web mixes. Authentication. Require users to log in with a Symbaloo account before viewing your content. All of these settings are flexible, so you can turn them on or off depending on your needs. If your school uses a student information system, this setting is for you. SIS integration lets Symbaloo connect directly with your school's system. But don't worry, this part is handled by the Symbaloo team. If you're interested, just contact us at sis@symbaloo.com and we'll help you set it up. Want to create another Webspace? No problem. Click the tab that says Webspaces and then select Add Webspace. You can create as many as your account allows, ideal for setting up different spaces for classes, teams, or topics. Choose a short and memorable URL and click on Activate My Webspace. After that, you will see the setup wizard. You can follow the steps, add a title for your web space, publish a web mix, and invite users to your web space. Last but not least, share the URL with others. And that wraps up our tour of the Webspace dashboard. You now know how to open and use your Webspace dashboard, check your subscription info, add users and administrators, control who can access your web space, use settings to make it safer and smarter. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.